event. So the event is we have to click on this image, right? So what is this the ID? We need to select the proper ID, and the ID is cat image. Okay, so this is what we are going to do. We have to click on the cat image, and then what will happen, right? So whatever actions you want it inside this job. Fine. So what we want to change the image, right? So this is the block which is going to help you out. You need to put it inside this, okay, inside the jaw, and then you need to tell what ID is that. Okay, so this is the cat image, fine, and then the source, of course. Okay, so which one you want? I want this one, which is saying hi. So I'll choose, click on choose and see. Okay, so talking Tom, right? Now what do we want? I want this talking Tom should say something. Fine. So for that, I'll be using this block, play speech. So whatever text you will write over here, this image will speak. Okay. So I wanted to say, hi, I am Tom. Okay, I am Tom. Who are you? Or how are you? Whatever you want to. Okay, how are you? Maybe. How are you? Fine. But Tom is a male. So just beside that, you can see one more drop down button. Just click on male. Fine. So let's run and see if it is happening or not. So I'll click on run, right? And then click on this.
Hi, I am Tom. How are you?
Oh, wow. So it is working. Fine. Now we want the another image. Okay. Another image. So what we need to do again, we need to set image URL. Okay. And there is a drop down button all the time. Just make sure you are getting the right ID and the source. This
Can you just tell me, ma'am, after this you bring the Tom over
yeah,
there?
this time
Can you just tell me one thing? Just one, I don't get it.
dear, it is in chat box. The link is in chat box.
No, the thing in this. How did you bring your Tom over there? That's what I don't get.
Yes. So when you create your account, okay, when you create your account, and again click on that. So, ma'am,
What do I basically have to do? Like, how do I bring the Tom in that box over there? Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, you are not audible.
Ma'am, we cannot hear you. Ma'am, I want to say you something.
hello.
Yes, ma'am. Now you are audible.
Ma'am,
Children, please mute yourself and listen. Ma'am will explain you. If you are having doubts, please raise your hand. Okay. Use the virtual hand. She will clear your doubts. Okay. Please wait one by one. Ma'am will explain your doubts.
All right, but concentrate here first, because once we are completed, after that, I'll explain once again. Okay, so concentrate, otherwise you will miss all these important things.
Just please follow the instructions given by ma'am. Okay.
All right, so here we want another image. So whenever we want another image, no, we are going to use this block. It says set image, and make sure you are getting the right image ID and the source. Okay, so this time we want another image. So that's why we are going here, choose, and then choose whichever you want. So I have already taken this one. Fine. Okay. Now what? Again, since this image will appear, what we have taken, so that image will speak to us again. So what we need to do again, we are going to use this. Fine. So this time she will say, hi, I am Anita. So my name is Anita. So I'm doing like this. You can put your name as well. Fine. Since I'm a female, so already it is female by default. Right? So she will say, hi, I'm Anita. Let's try if it is happening or not. Okay, so I'll reset. Always when you are doing no, for testing purpose, you have to reset, run again, and then click on this image. So let's see. So this is the very first image. Then that hi image will come, okay, which is greeting. And then again, the image should change. So let's see.
Hi, I am Tom. How are you?
Okay, so we are going.
Hi, I am Anita.
Yeah, so we are getting the last one. We cannot see this one, right? So here, what is happening? It is going very fast. The image is switching very fast. We are not able to see this one. Okay, so here we need to wait for some time. So for waiting, what can we do? We can go to control, right? And then we will be using set timeout. And we are going to use here. And here. So this part is going to wait for some time. Let's see, we will make it maybe 3000. So 3000 is actually 3 seconds. Okay, so let's try once again. See, because I have made some changes, again I need to reset. Again, I need to run. And after that, I will click on this image because that is the event. Okay.
Hi, I am Tom. How are you?
Hi, I am Anita.
Wow, it is working, right?
Ma'am, but on all my code, it's showing the red square.
Right.
And ma'am, when I like, can I share my screen?
No, sharing screen is not allowed right now. Okay.
Actually, when I log in, everything is white. Even that, like in over there, and on the like on the top of this, where Tom is coming, it's showing me like screen 1.
Okay. Might be seeing this one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is visible. Again, click on remix here.
Okay.
So again, when you click on remix, no, you will get this page. Done?
One
Okay.
second.
So we are here. We are here. So this thing is working so far.
No, Mama didn't.
So you have to click on remix. Then you will land here on this page. Okay. And all.
Click on remix. It's
still you are not able to do, then you have to wait. Right? Then concentrate over here. Fine. Now let's move forward. So what do we want? We want another image over here. Right? Again, Tom will say, nice to meet you. Bye-bye. Okay? So for that, we need to change the image. How to change the image? Again, we need to go to UI controls. Okay, again, we need to go to UI controls and then set image. So we'll be setting over here. Next step is getting the right ID, that is cat image, getting the right source, click on choose. Okay, this time we want this image once again. So we got this image, right? And I want him to speak something. So let's use it. And this time he will say, nice to meet you, Anita. Okay. And you need to check the gender as well because Tom is male. So click on this drop down button, get the male option. Fine. Now the time is to reset again and run this once again. So click on reset, click on run. So what do we want? The flow should be like this. First of all, we will get this image that we are getting. After running, we will get the Tom image. Then we will get Anita's image and then again Tom image. So let's see if it is happening in that same flow or not. So run and then click.
Hi, I am Tom. How are you? Nice to meet you, Anita.
Oh,
Hi, I am Anita.
See what happened? Something got wrong. So what is wrong here? This nice to meet you, Anita is coming first, and then hi, I'm Anita is coming, right? Because Anita is waiting for 3 seconds over here. So we want this image, Tom image, to wait for some time, some more time. Okay. So for wait again, we need to go to control. We need to get this. This is the wait block, and this time we are going to use both these actions inside this. Okay, this is the wait. But you need to take care of, you need to figure out how long you are waiting. Okay, so this is 3 seconds. Of course, we have to wait for more than 3 seconds. Let's try 6 seconds. Okay, now since I have made some changes, I need to reset it again, run it again, and click on that image once again.
Hi, I am Tom. How are you?
Hi, I am Anita.
Nice to meet you, Anita.
All right, everything is going fine, right? So here, this portion is waiting for 3 seconds, and these two actions are happening after 6 seconds. Okay, so only this thing you need to take care of, right? All right. I hope this is working. This thing is working. Those who are able to log in and able to do, and those who are not, please don't get disheartened, because this is the main thing you need to understand. Rest, you will get the link, you will get the entire video. Okay, so don't worry about that. Just concentrate over